Hi, this is Doug with Mansfield Plumbing. Today I'm going to talk about how to remove and replace a broken trip lever. For this demonstration, I'm going to work on an Alto series toilet that uses a Model 40 trip lever. But in the event that you have a different style broken trip lever and need to replace it with a new one, follow these similar steps. First, this lever nut is opposite thread, so you will turn it to the right to loosen it. Remove the broken trip lever out through the hole in the tank and discard. There are off-brand trip levers out there that say 4 Mansfield tanks, and some of our customers buy those, not knowing that the angle of the arm on your trip lever is very important. On the incorrect trip lever, the arm pulls against the front of the flush valve tower and puts pressure against the mechanism. When you flush, it pulls the tower toward the front of the tank, preventing it from sealing, and holds it in the upright position, causing the water to continuously run. It's very important to purchase the correct lever for your toilet. This is the Model 40 trip lever, designed for the Alto series tanks. Feed it through the hole in your tank, making sure the nut is on there first. Lift your tower, feed it through the arm, through the teacup of the flush valve tower. Tighten the nut counterclockwise. You can tighten with a wrench just to be sure it's snug. Put your stop cap back on, turning clockwise to tighten it, and place the refill tube back into the top of the stop cap. Give it a test flush and notice the trip lever arm position is in the center of the teacup, allowing the tower to move freely.